This is a video on how to bleed your engine coolant after either you flush everything out or after any radiator work done. So this is completely empty. I'm just gonna fill this up. I just replaced my radiator. Just gonna make sure I put it right on the edge. Probably gonna take the whole make sure there's no leaks. All the holes are tight. There is no leaks so far. Just gonna fill it all the way to the top. A little bit more. Probably gonna be the whole gallon. This is about it. I'm gonna show you. So if you look here, fill to about the top. So this. Gets out the way. So then what you need to do is get in your car. Make sure you have the keys with you. Hit the start, stop. Do not step on the brake. Make sure this is all the way up. 84. The blow's all the way low. And you're gonna step on the gas for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once you let it go, you see here, this is probably on already. See? Make sure you have it covered. So this will run its cycle a few times. Probably hear it now. This will take out all the air bubbles. So this will run for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just let it run, and that's how you do it. On your car, usually you need to do it maybe 2 or 3 times. Make sure your battery is fully charged as well. So that's how you bleed the brakes. That's how you bleed the coolant level. Thanks for watching.